Okay guys, we're on our final stop, and this is in Monroe. We're back in Monroe, Louisiana, and we're at the Comfort Inn, and this is room 213. These are large rooms like suites, so let's give you a quick look around. First of all, we have a micro fridge, microwave, a coffee maker, a couch, little coffee table, and a desk to work from that has several hookups there for power. We have a king size bed. Got a couple phones in this room. I don't know, to me phones are very outdated, so yeah, I guess I don't know why places still have them. I guess just because they've always been built in. We have a flat panel TV and a closet at the end. Let's see here, is there anything I'm forgetting? Let's take a look, just as I always try to do. Not much of a view. I don't know what hotel that is next door to us. So we'll give you a wide shot here, what this looks like. And I'll do one from the other side. Okay, let's go in the bathroom now. All right, here we go into the bathroom. Huge mirror in this bathroom. Big vanity. You actually have enough room there for 2 sinks. They have 1. You've got the toilet and bathtub. So large room. Looks so far like everything's clean. As I've said in every single review that we've done, if there's something here that we don't like, I will put it into the description. Okay, talk to you all soon. Bye.